Muhammad Siraj, he will work outdoor from AMC. Helmet, reflective jacket, full body harness. Positioning, safety shoes. Amar Salim from Zadara, he will work outdoor. Helmet, reflective jacket, full body harness. Positioning in Wayland Yard, safety shoes. MD 988 E-Bat panoramic view. Rectifier. Door. CDB. Transmission rack, BTS rack, 5G BTS rack, FDD aspiration rectifier. Shelter site. Tower view. Sector C antenna view. Sector B antenna view. Sector A antenna view. Side area. Outdoor obstacle. Cable tray. Routing, clamp, power fiber. Cable tray. Here you can see all fixed properly. Not loose. All 63 temperatures. Also you can see here power fixed properly. Here not loose. You can see label 5G area power. I can show you 5G here scale. You can see here 5G area. Right side networks available. You can see here left side network available. You can see here 5G area fine transmission and 5G area to X2 sync in 5G. Also you can see here ground, then show ground here connected 5G ground label. Will be here routing from left side, then from left from here. You can see ground connected to grounding kit. Then show 5G AF to X2 SFP. You can see FOTA 10G. Fixed back properly. You can see here X2 5G AF to X2 capability. Also you can see 5G sync in here. You can see here all capability here 5G sync cable here and here some extra cable is cable here. Then coming down again here you can see 5G sync here. You can see 5G sync out properly. You can see 5G X2 cable fiber cable going from the side and coming out. External alarm ZMDA 988. You can see here no any alarm. Now let me show you alarm window. No any external alarm. You can see here. I will remove one rectifier to see minor power fail. Here. You can see here minor power fail alarm coming. Now I will take another rectifier to see two alarm, minor and major. You can see here minor clear, now major power fail coming. Will insert them back and now I will switch off main AC power here. You can see I will switch off back. See here commercial power and major power fail coming. See commercial power cabinet 2 and battery discharge, two alarms coming. Now I will switch on the main to see all alarms clear. See here main AC on, rectifier in start mode. Now you can see here no any external alarm, all alarms are clear. Also rectifier working. Open to sky, no any blockage.
Sector A, serial number, antenna, fiber and power routing. Sector B, serial number, antenna, power, fiber. Sector C, serial number, antenna, fibers, power cord, FPFH labels, FPFH. Sector B, grounding, 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 grounding. ZMM 212 sector C 5G antenna serial number, top bracket, down bracket, mechanical tilt 4, antenna degree sector C 280, antenna grounding, attach, power connector, power label, power routing, power clamps, power routing clamps, routing, power routing, power routing, connected, FPFH, OPT1, OPT2 fiber labels, fiber routings, fiber routings, fiber routings, fiber routings. ZMM 212 sector B serial number, antenna, top bracket, down bracket, mechanical tilt 4, antenna degree 160, antenna grounding, attach, power connector, power label, power routing clamps, power routing, power routing, power routing, power connect, FPFH, OPT1, OPT2 fiber, fiber routing, fiber label, fiber routing, fiber routing, sector A serial number, fiber sector A OPT1, OPT2 and power connector, power cover, fiber connector, fiber cover, fiber clamps, fiber clamps, fiber clamps,
side, then coming out to the routing rubber cables, and then coming out from here you can see here this way it's with the cable 5G SPF2 and showing SFP. From this side you can see photon SFP 10G SFP fixed back properly. So you can see here cable for you 5G AFM transmission is properly there, then cable routing here. Your AQQL you can see here printed properly. Here you can see 5G, OPT1, 5G, OPT2, 5G, OPT3 are level available. Routing with SoftI, you can see here SoftI. Also you can see coming back, and here you can see behind the other fiber cables. Here you can see coming out.